Hi, welcome back. Some have been asking how to replace the license plate bulbs on a Nissan Note, and it's very hard to change them because the bulb is mounted from the inside. So what you need to do is remove this panel here from the inside of the back door. It just pops out. Just wear gloves because it's got very sharp edges on it. And once you've done that, here's what the back of it looks like. Just go in here, and there's the bulb that needs to be changed. Just to turn it left, the bulb is a push in, just swap it out, put it back, and you're done. It's as easy as that. Just turn it right to lock it. There's another one here. Don't know if it'll light up very well. It's the same. It's a little more awkward to get to, and I'd suggest changing the both of them at the same time, just for convenience, because it's a bit of hassle to get the back panel off. So when you're done, just refit that panel up there, and these little white things, these little clips, they might come out, so just watch that they all go back in. So that's how to change the license plate bulbs on a Nissan Note E12. Thanks for watching. Bye now.